Hello everyone and welcome to CreativeBD. Today we are going to show you how to do Google image search. So I have an image right here, but I'd like to know where this image is from or find similar images, maybe even buy it maybe. So go to Google and on the top right corner go to images. Then as you can see, there is a camera icon. So click on the icon. It says paste URL, but we're not searching using URL, but with the image itself. So select upload an image. Then choose file. Go to the location of the image in your PC or computer, laptop. Then select the image and click open. Let it upload and voila, it is showing you all the images Google found. It is showing you all the images Google could find. And there is our image right here. It's also a higher resolution than the one that I uploaded. If you want to visit the website, then click on the image, then a new tab will open, or you could just click on the title of the image. On the image, it will open a new tab which will lead to the website. So here we are. As you can see, there are a lot of similar images as well as the image itself. So that is how you do an image search. So thank you guys for watching, and it was an easy tutorial, so like, share and subscribe. Thank you.